All right, it's day number 8 of the Star Wars Lego Advent Calendar. So let's go ahead and move on here. Let's see what we're going to be doing. Interesting. I definitely enjoy this, but hate it at the same time. I shouldn't say hate. Hate's a strong word. It's definitely not my favorite kind of Lego to do. I kind of like it because it's different, but it's definitely not my my favorite way to go when it comes to Lego here. But we're gonna go ahead and put this here together. And if you have any questions, make sure to ask down below. As you can see, we've got our pieces here that we're putting together, and do my best to follow the instructions. Sometimes I do it a little bit out of order. It just helps me in trying to figure out exactly what they're having us do. Okay, and then looks like, what else do we got here? Looks like this one is gonna go here. Then we got this guy here, and then we've got a red one. And then we should have a flat one on top of that. Okay. So now let's do the front of the ship, which looks like this. And then we've got a clear one. There we go. This guy is going to be coming out the front like that. And then I've got this guy right here. There we go. All right. I guess it's all right. So we'll go ahead and put that guy there, and we've got our extra pieces. Continuing on with extra pieces, we'll put that guy right over there. All right, so this was day number 8, and we'll go ahead and continue on with day number 9 tomorrow.